How to change TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. So if you want to change your TikTok username, then first open up your TikTok application. And then you can go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. And then go for the upper right corner, which has that three-bar icon. Go for settings and privacy. And after opening your profile, you can go for edit profile. And here you will have your name, your username, right? So if you want to change your username, then go for username, tap on that username. And then here it says that you can change your username once every 30 days. So if you have already changed your username within these 30 days, then you don't have any other option but just to wait for 30 days. And after waiting for 30 days, you can change your username. But within that 30 days, you don't have any other option because TikTok doesn't allow you to do so. So you just need to wait for 30 days and then you can simply change your username. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.